How to make magazine website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website for your magazine. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. So as you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. Feel free to create an account on Wix.com because you just need to create a suitable password and use your email address. It's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. So next you just need to click this blue button, create new site. You will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation, and now Wix website offers us to try an AI help. But in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need a magazine website, just type magazine, and here you can choose magazine store, online magazine, magazine illustrator, art magazine, fashion magazine, news magazine, music magazine. Choose whatever you want here, whatever you need. Choose by the purposes you have for your site. Basically I will choose online magazine because I think this is most common one. Just for an example I will choose this one and click continue. The next step is that you need to create a name for website. Basically you need to create a name for your online magazine. So I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. Here you need to answer this question: what are your goals for this site? This will help Wix.com match you with tools and features to fit your needs. You should complete this by yourself. Maybe you wanna sell products, or maybe you wanna offer services. I don't know. So also you can choose the apps you would like to add for your site to give it more functionality. For example, forums, Instagram feed, blog, pricing plans. You can discover more apps here. For example, an online store, bookings, events, portfolio, and so on. Also, you need to choose it by yourself. I will skip this step, and now we can continue to dashboard. Now we are back to our dashboard. You can see we still have 3 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. Basically you need to connect a custom domain here. Just choose the domain you want and click this button. Let's go. Meanwhile we will move straight to this point: design your website, basically the most important one. And now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one. Customize a template because I really like browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. You just need to choose the template that you think is the best. For example, bookstore, news blog, online course platform, news blog again. You can also choose blank templates if you wanna make site from scratch. Here you can see all website templates. So here is results for online magazine. As you can see, all templates are really nice, but just for this video I will choose this one. Don't worry guys, if you don't like any of them, you can of course edit it how you want. This is not final site, this is just template. and basically you need to customize it a bit in order to get exactly the website you want. And now we are go to the editors page. Wix website editor, to be honest, in my opinion, is the best option to create a website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create another website. That's why I highly recommend this site, wix.com. And now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here you can select which page we are on our website. You can also manage them. You can delete some pages here. You can hide them. You can make it visible again. You can change the order. You can add new one. Also on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media. And here you can see how our site is divided into several parts, from header here to footer, and this is only home page. For example, if you wanna edit this specific section, for example, intro section here, you need to double click on this one. Also you can quick edit it by clicking this button. So double click on this section, and very important thing, the main tool how to edit almost everything on this site is to double click on the stuff you want to edit. Basically you want to edit this text, double click, and you can delete it, write whatever you want. You can change the style, fonts, font size, basically you can change the color or anything. You can write, you can change the background here. For example, you want to delete this one video box, don't really know what is it even. So right click, delete easily. And for example, you want to add something new here, add elements. You can add text, for example this one, just drag and drop it. Also you can add image. Here you can upload images from your computer or import images from your socials and Google accounts. You can create AI image. You can use free Wix images. Also you can custom your logo. You can add button, add strip, decorative, menu. For example, you want to edit this media here, these images. Easily click on this one, and here it is, manage media. You can change the order, you can add new one, you can delete them, you can add title and description, whatever you want. You can replace them. Also you can add section here. For example, you wanna have a welcome section, so you just need to choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page. For example, this one, drop it here, and there I have it. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. Also you can change the size, move it, change the size of this button. You can link your button to almost everything, to a page, to another web page, web address, website I mean, email, phone number, whatever. So the entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. And when you're done editing your website, you need to click this button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.